Hello, dear students. Let us start with a new chapter, chapter number 6, time. So, we will be learning about the terms of earlier, later, shorter. So, these are the terms which we are going to learn today. But in this chapter, we are going to learn about the term earlier and later and shorter, parts of the day, sequence of events happening in a day. So these are the things which we are going to learn. So dear students, now let us first learn about the time, that is the clock. So this is a clock where you see the number from 1 to 12, right? This shows the hours as well as the minutes. So dear students, there are two types of hands in this clock, that is the short hand and the long hand. So this is the long hand where you can see this one. This is a long hand where it shows the minutes. Okay, then this is the short hand which shows the hours. So from this we will be able to learn or read the time. Okay students, so when you look at the clock, the short hand is at the 5 and the long hand is at 12. So what do you call it as? We say it as 5 o'clock. Okay students, yes. So in the next time you can see that 1 is in short hand and 12 is the long hand, right? Long hand is at 12 and short hand is at 1. So what do you call it as? We call it as 1 o'clock, right? Yes. So I hope you all have understood what is short hand and what is long hand. So dear students, in 24 hours we see a night and a day. The night comes first, then the day. When the sun rises, we say it as day. When the sun sets, after the sun sets, we say it as night. So this is what we are going to learn about the day. What do you do things in the day and what do you do things at the night? So what comes first? Night. When until the sun rises. Sun rises in the morning, so we say it as day until the sun sets. Okay students, yes. So after the sun sets we say it as night or evening. Okay students, yes. So what do you do as soon as you get up? First you wake up when the sun rises, right? You need to wake up once the sun rises. After that, you need to brush your teeth. As soon as you wake up, you need to brush your teeth. You need to brush your teeth every day. You need to kill germs, right? Or else the germs gets in. So as soon as you wake up, you need to brush your teeth. Then you need to take bath regularly. So as soon as you finish your brushing, then you have to take bath. After that, you will pray to God, right? Am I right? Yes. Then, what do? You eat breakfast. You need to eat breakfast regularly. Okay, students, you shouldn't skip breakfast. So, once you wake up, you need to brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, you need to take bath. After taking a bath, what do you have to do? You have to pray to God. After praying to God, you need to eat breakfast. After that, you need to get ready and go to school, right? Yes. So after in school, what do? At school, you study, eat tiffin and play, right? You do many things. You learn many things. You eat with your friends and you play, right? So you do so many activities in school. Then after coming back, like after your school finish, you come back home, change your dress and sit for lunch, right? You need to wash your hands, you need to wash your face, you need to fresh yourself, and then eat your lunch. You do these things. After you come back to school, you change your dress first, right? Then you wash your hands, then you eat. So this is what the things you do after you come back to school. So after you finish eating, you do your homework. You finish your homework, then you go to play with your friends, right? Yes, that is in the evening. Once you come back to school, you do your homework in the evening. That is evening, okay? Then you play with your friends, right? Yes. Then after that, what do? You come back home, wash your hands, and eat dinner with your family. After dinner, what do? You say good night to everyone and go to sleep. So these are the things which you do in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and in the night, right? Yes. So tell me that when the sun rises, does it rises in the morning or in the evening? In the morning, right? Yes. So dear students, take the activity that you do in the morning. So what do you do in the morning? You sleep or you brush your teeth? We brush our teeth, right? You brush your teeth first, right? Yes. The next one is take the activity that you do in the evening. So after you come back to school, what do? You go to school or you play? You play, right? Yes. Then take the activity that you do at the night. Do you bath at night? No, you bath in the morning, right? Yes. So what do you do at the night? You sleep. You say good night, right? Yes. Then number the activities in the sequence. So from morning, as soon as what do? As soon as the sun rises, you wake up, right? You wake up. After waking up, what do you do? What should we do? We should brush the teeth. Then after brushing the teeth, what should we do? We should go to bath. After that, we need to pray to God, right? Yes. I hope you all have understood this. So let us continue this session in the next class. Thank you, class. Enjoy learning.